why I love tattoos. I don't really. So, whatever you are doing, why do you like it? For everything that you like right now, fún gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe nísìnyí, kí ló dé tó ṣe like it? No matter how much you love me, you won't give me your womb or your intestine. Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi, láti máa wò mí. Tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody, o gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Mo wá lónìí láti wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa gbajúgbajà òṣèré bìnrin, akíkanjú obìnrin, obìnrin bí ọkùnrin, ẹni tí kì í gbà láti kí wọ́n fi ọwọ́ rẹ̀yàn jẹ. Iyabo Ojo, Alice, tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Queen Mother. She has been dedicated to so many things. All were committed sí iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe. And one thing about Iyabo Ojo is that she will never let you be cheated. She will always stand for the right thing. Let me quickly take you through some things about Iyabo Ojo that is very, very powerful, and I believe it can help you. Once upon a time, in an interview, Iyabo Ojo said she believed that her kids are reaping the benefit of her hard work and kindness. Iyabo emphasized the value of self-reliance, noting that individuals must take care of themselves. Ó ní ohun tí a bá ṣe lónìí ọ̀rọ̀ ìtọ́ni bọ́dọ̀là. Iyabo Ojo ti fi ara jìn fún àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀. Gbogbo dáadáa, gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń rí nínú ayé Priscilla àti ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀, ó ti bi àwọn iṣẹ́ tí àwọn ìyá wọn ti ṣe sílẹ̀ ni. Eléyìí kó jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ sí gbogbo àwọn òbí wípé àwọn ọmọ lọ́jọ́ iwájú, àwọn ọmọ ni wọn yóò gbé ògo ìdílé wa ga. Iyabo Ojo sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ní ìgbà kan wípé òun ti fi àdúrà jagun, òun ti fi gbogbo ohun tó yẹ kí òun fi pète ọ̀la sílẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ òun ti ṣe nígbà náà. Ó dẹ̀ ń so èso rẹ̀ nísìn. Kí lè jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ sí gbogbo àwọn òbí. Ẹ jẹ́ mú eléyìí wá. Let me bring this one again to you are very, very important. Okay. Why I love tattoo. Why I love tattoo. I don't really have as many tattoos as people do think. I just have 3 on me, and they all have their significance. The one on my hand is a rose, and it signifies love. The one on my chest is a crown, and it means that I am a queen in whatever I do. I call the shots. The one I have on my back means that I see you, even though you think I don't. I see everything you are doing, so watch it. They all have meaning, and I am just someone who loves tattoos. There are no negative reason I love them. I am not the only one wearing a tattoo. There are so many celebrities, both local and foreign, who wear them. It is just something I like. I cannot describe why I like it. I feel it is sexy. That is coming from Queen Mother. So, whatever you are doing, why do you like it? For everything that you like right now, fún gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe nísìnyí, kí ló dé tó ṣe like it? Ó lè má jẹ́ tattoo ni wọ́n like, ó lè jẹ́ nǹkan mi. Ó máa ní reason. Tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody, o gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. You can check it out. Let me tell you something about Queen Mother. Also, I am very emotional person. I am very loving, but I am a one-way traffic kind of person. When I am in love, I am fully in love with the person. I give my best to the relationship. I am a very lovey-dovey kind of person, and I love my man to always be there for me. Sometimes, it seems as if I am over-possessive. It is not that I am over-possessive. I am just someone who wants to give everything into relationship and expect to get the same back. When I do not get the same, I start having problems with that person. That is why I find it difficult to say I want to settle with a person. To me, marriage is a 50-50 thing. If I put in my 50, you have to put in your 50. In a situation where you cannot give me 50, then we are going to have a problem. That is for relationship. I'll talk more on that on my program. Lórí pápá ìfẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ lé lórí. Ṣùgbọ́n to whom it may concern, ni máa fi ṣe.
But no be surgery to lose weight or keep fit. The time when I born my son, that time, my first belle, my belle rumple small, and so as I can't slim, I can't get free skin for that wey be say the thing dey shame me. No be say because of man, but because of my own self-confidence. If I stand for mirror sometimes, I no dey like that thing wey just dey do jolly jolly for the down of my belle. I dey talk way back 2002 2003 wey I just born my daughter, say I go comot this thing when I don get money. So as I come get small change na I fly go talk to go comot the thing, but unfortunately I come dey sick after they comot am, because they talk say my immune no dey strong enough to withstand all the surgery wey dey do. You know, na that time they begin carry different kind rumors. You go do this, I no do breast before, I no do yansh. Na that one I go comot that time wey the whole thing turn to wahala for news.
Queen Mother said something. When I die today, nobody is dying with me. When I am hungry right now, no matter how much you love me, you won't give me your womb or your intestines. To quench my hunger, I have sought myself out. That is one coming from Queen Mother. To whom it may concern, ní máa fi ṣe láti ọ̀dọ̀ Queen Mother. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ vital tí Queen Mother sọ yìí, ó jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára púpọ̀. Ó lágbára. Good pay. I feel like what I am reaping today, or my children are reaping today, is the good that I have done. Yes. Iyabo just said that. What she has done in the past, the good things, the kindness, the passion, the selfless life that she has done in the past, that's what our children, our family is enjoying right now. So I believe we can continue.
Happy Easter, my amazing people. God bless you all. May this season bring more blessings into our lives.
But no be surgery to lose weight or keep fit. The time when I born my son, that time my first belle, my belle rumple small, and so as I can't slim, I can't get free skin for that wey be say the thing dey shame me. No be say because of man, but because of my own self-confidence. If I stand for mirror sometimes, I no dey like that thing wey just dey do jolly jolly for the down of my belle. I dey talk way back 2002 2003 wey I just born my daughter, say I go comot this thing when I don get money. So as I come get small change na I fly go talk to go comot the thing, but unfortunately I come dey sick after they comot am, because they talk say my immune no dey strong enough to withstand all the surgery wey dey do. You know, na that time they begin carry different kind rumors. You go do this, I no do breast before, I no do yansh. Na that one I go comot that time wey the whole thing turn to wahala for news. But yes, but now, you know, as I comot am now, yes, you know, I wear my pant and bra, I dey always feel sexy for myself. You know, na for my own self-confidence. Anything wey dey your body wey you no like, you fit correct am. You know, it's all about making yourself feel very comfortable. You're supposed to feel comfortable in your own self. My name na Alice Iyabo, and I be actress. I also be businesswoman too. Some people they believe say all these actresses we get big girls, get car, they show, say no be their job, they provide the money. Say some of them go say we be prostitutes, because me I be actress, make I join myself put. You know, some of them go say na man they do they know they believe say woman self he work, make her own money, do her own thing. So, but some people we understand, no say women now we no grade. I don't go fault people where they think that way, because true. Some day like that, you understand, but at the end of the day, no be everybody with the industry be prostitute or be ashawo, as they call them for my language. Wetin I would like debunk say make they know they believe say because you be single mother, then that means say your life don't end. No be everybody get luck to find man way better, and no be every man get luck also to find woman way better. Today I dey proud to talk about am, because say I don't get success story for am, so I fit talk about am say being a single mother no be crime, and you fit be single mother today, that one no mean say you no go marry tomorrow. My children, I teach them love, and as my daughter dey grow, I dey always tell am say love is a beautiful thing. E be one thing make you advise your children, e be another thing make you leave that example for them. E get one movie wey me and my friend Tosin Abiola shoot under the carpet, na half pidgin and half English. So that one we dey try one put am for cinema. Thank God say cinema go soon start again. So we no stopping for me as I dey here, so I just dey go. Una see wetin Femi Otedola do na so me sef wan do na. Make I buy Bugatti for my children. Na 2 pikin I born, but I dey train 7. So I dey pray make God give me money, make I build house for all the 7 children wey I born. I dey pray make God give me money, make I do. So I get big dreams, and to acquire these big dreams, I got to keep pushing my business.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.